Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to today's flood bulletin. The latest rainfall data received through the CWC and IMD observation networks indicate significant rainfall activity over the following regions: Kerala and adjoining Tamil Nadu, coastal Karnataka, West Madhya Pradesh and East Rajasthan, sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim, Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. The highest rainfall of 160 mm has been recorded at Nalumukku in Tirunelveli district. As per the current flood status, none of the rivers is flowing in severe or extreme flood situation all across the country as per the CWC monitoring network. Now, let's discuss today's CWC advisory. In Kerala, the IMD has forecast extremely heavy to very heavy rainfall over the northern and central parts of the state during the next 2 to 3 days. In view of the expected rainfall, a rise in water levels is likely in rivers including Bhartapuza, Bhavani, Periyar, Gayatri, Karuvannur, Manimala, Minachal, Chalakudi, Pamba and Achnakovil. Residents in the districts of Palakkad, Thrissur, Ernakulam, Kottayam, Alappuzha, Idukki and Pathanamthitta are advised to remain alert from 5th to 6th June. In North Kerala, a similar alert has been issued for the possible water level rises in the Kabini, Chalya, Shirya, Uppala, Kutyadi, Kuppam and Valapatnam rivers. People residing in the districts of Kasaragod, Kannur, Wayanad, Kozhikode and Malappuram should exercise caution and closely monitor updates from the 5th to 7th June. In Tamil Nadu, the IMD has predicted heavy to very heavy rainfall over the districts of Nilgiris, Coimbatore, Dindigul, Theni, Tenkasi and Kanyakumari during the next 2 to 3 days. In view of the anticipated rainfall, a rise in water levels is likely in the Thambiravarani, Peziyar, Paralayad, Manimuttar and Chittar rivers. Residents in Kanyakumari and Tirunelveli districts are advised to remain vigilant from 5th to 7th June. Additionally, alerts may be maintained for possible water level rises in the Bhavani, Noyal, Amravati, Vaigai and other small tributaries of Kaveri river system during the next 5th to 7th June. In Karnataka, as per IMD, a very heavy rainfall is predicted in the next 2 to 3 days. In view of the expected rainfall, local residents are advised to maintain close monitoring of river conditions as water levels may rise in the Agnashini, Swarna, Netravati, Gurupura, Shambhavi, Sita and Kumaradhara rivers. Particular vigilance is advised in the district of Uttar Kannada, Udupi and Dakshin Kannada during the period 5th to 7th June. In Assam, water levels are expected to rise in rivers Kopili, Main Barak and Brahmaputra, Kushiara, Katahal from 5th to 7th June. For the latest information on water levels and flood forecasts, please visit the websites displaying on the screen. Stay informed, stay alert, and we will meet you again in the next bulletin. Thank you.